how to fix GTA 5 lag problem easy and quick. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix GTA 5 lag problem. First, open settings and then go to privacy, and after that scroll down until you find the background apps. Now just turn it on, and you will find it like that. Just turn it off, turn it off, not on. And then go to gaming, turn off this Xbox game bar and go to game mode, turn it on, and then go to graphics settings, turn off this option here, hardware accelerated, and turn it on, and then just restart your PC, and you will find that your problem is fixed. After restarting your PC, just close the applications that you don't need here. Just right click on it and click the last option, and that's it. Don't forget to like, and see you in the next video.